Today we're going to be making Rubber Ducky out of clay. So I'm going to start with 2 pieces of clay. My first is 1/2 pound, and my second is 1/4 pound. And then I just have some extra clay. I'm going to start by taking the 1/2 pound piece of clay and making a pinch cup out of it. Once I've made a basic pinch cup, I'm going to smooth it out with a rubber rib. Now I want to flatten it and elongate it. It should still be hollow. Don't make it a pancake. I'm going to use the paddle to smooth it out and round it out. The opening I'm going to stitch together, and then use the paddle to smooth it over. Next, I'm going to make the head. I'm going to take the 1/4 pound piece of clay, and I'm going to also make a pinch cup. Again, I'm going to use the rubber rib to smooth it out. I'll use the paddle to smooth it out and round it out even further. Rest it on top and it looks just right. Now I'm going to score both pieces and use some water to attach them together. I want to make sure I use some good pressure to make sure that it sticks. Now I'm going to make the bill. So I'm just going to take an extra piece of clay and flatten it out. I'm going to use a knife to make it into a U shape so that it fits onto the head. Then I'm going to score both pieces and attach. Now I want to make indentations for the eyes. The next step are the wings. So I'm going to take another piece of clay and use my paddle to flatten it out. It should be about 1/8 of an inch thick. I'll use the rubber rib to smooth out that piece, and then a knife tool to cut out a wing. Then I'll use that and trace it to cut out the second wing. I'll score all the pieces and attach them. Now I'm going to make the tail. I'm going to take another piece of clay and flatten it out, smooth it out on both sides, and then use my knife tool to shape it how I want. Then I'll score both pieces and attach it to the body. To make sure that's really on there, I'm going to roll out a small coil and put it at the top of the tail. We want to make sure that we poke a hole in both the head and the body so that it doesn't explode in the kiln. And there is our rubber ducky.